Hi friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, creator of Selectors Hub. I'm preparing this tutorial to help you and to learn about all about XPath from basic to advanced level and with the real-time scenarios. So the very first question is what is XPath? What is the importance of it in web automation? And then what are the types of XPath? So this is in this tutorial one, we will learn about these basic things. XPath, we all know that the abbreviation XML query it is. Apart from that, what is the real meaning? Why and what exactly it is in layman terms? Like if I'm beginner, I'm new, someone who doesn't know about at all about XPath, then how will I explain to someone? So XPath is similar like address of any place on the globe. Like every place on the earth has its own address. Similarly, on web, each and every single element has its own address. Like if you have to click on this, if you have to reach to this particular element, you need the address. That address is basically XPath. There are different types of selectors, those are also, but yes, XPath is one of the type of address of these elements. Every single element has its own address, its own XPath. So XPath is basically, just to make you understand in real time, it is the address of an element, of every element here, and how we write and all that we will see in the next lecture. So hope you understood that this is basically the address in real time, and rest it is an XML query. You can traverse through DOM, traverse in DOM from top node to elements and all that we will see. Then so we got to know that okay, XPath is address of an element, and there are different multiple ways to write an XPath, types of XPath. So that all we will see. Now what is the importance of XPath in web automation? Okay, so we all know that yes, it is an important part of web automation, but let me tell you, it is as important as the tires of car. Like if your vehicle doesn't have good tires, then your vehicle will not run for long. If your vehicle doesn't have good wheels, just like in one breaker, it might break down. Similarly, like if you will not have the good XPath, good selector in your automation script, your script will not execute for long. It may execute once, but it might break in the next run itself. So we will have to make sure that we write the as good, as robust XPath and selectors so that it lasts for long. Now types of XPath. There are multiple types. People used to define different ways. Very simple terms, we can say absolute XPath and relative XPath. In general, there are XPath only, but yes, the way we write the XPath, according to that, we have categorized it like absolute XPath and relative XPath. We will learn more about these in details in next coming lectures. Then in next tutorial, we will learn how to write an XPath. Thank you.